Switch effortlessly between direct-to-garment (DTG) and digital transfer film (DTF) printing, allowing you to leverage the strengths of both methods for diverse and high-quality results. Original and durable Epson print heads with unique variable droplet technology, up to 5 colors of ink jetting, 600 dpi color, high resolution to meet your various needs. AI Intelligent Design plus Professional Drawing Software equals perfect printing effect. Combined with the embroidery machine, custom color printing can be achieved on the embroidery-based fabric. Effective perception of the environment, perfect locking of the outline. Automatically adjusts the height and spacing, easily copes with different fabric thicknesses. Integrated vacuum adsorption function to ensure stable printing. The button catalog is clearly visible, simple to operate, and novice-friendly.